we got like this crazy triangle, and then a triangle like this, and then a triangle like this, and then, so we got that, right? And we have A, B, C, D, and, okay. Then this is X, that's angle X, degrees. This is 59 degrees. This is 43 degrees. This one up here is 49 degrees. This is Y degrees. And this is Z degrees. Okay? So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on this triangle first. So I'm going to look at this triangle here, the one that's in red. What do I know about those three angles? They got to add up to 180. So I say that 59 degrees plus 43 degrees plus X equals 180 degrees. Somebody with their fancy schmancy calculator, why don't you add up 59 and 43? Was that 102? Is that right? Double check though.
It's 102. Yeah, double check.
Is it? All right. So then it's 102 plus X equals 100. Whoops. Equals. What am I doing? Equals 180 degrees. Okay, cool. What do I do now?
Subtract.
Yep. Subtract the 102 from both sides, and I get X equals what?
70.
78, right? Cool. So this right here is 78 degrees. Okay? All right. Cooking with gas. How do I find the rest of these? Well, I could...
Does that say 45?
Could you do X plus Y equals 180?
Yeah, let's do that. So I could find, this is, what do we call this right here?
Linear pair.
Yeah, so we could say that X plus Y equals 180 degrees
And X plus
because they're a linear pair, right?
Yeah.
Pair. Okay, so, and we know that this is 78.
So X plus 1.
So then Y equals 180 minus 78, which is what? Hey, wait a minute. Isn't that theorem we just talked about? Isn't that the first theorem we did?
Triangle exterior.
Yeah, the triangle exterior alternate angle theorem, right? Or I threw an alternate. Triangle exterior angle theorem. Isn't that what we proved?
What was the name of the second theorem?
The second one is just the triangle sum theorem. All right. So but we did it another way using the linear pair, and we got the same thing, right? So great. Now we've proven it twice. All right, cool. We're cooking with gas. So this is equal to 102. Now, how do I find Z? Well, I'm gonna. Will this confuse you if I do this? 180 minus the 49 plus 102. Do you know where that comes from?
Yes.
Or do we need to write it down?
No.
Basically, all three of these have to add up to 180. If you add those up and subtract it from 180, that gives you the angle, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So let's try that. What is what's 49 plus 152? Is that 151?
Yeah. 102.
So it's Z equals 180.
So what's 180 minus 151?
29.
29. Do you guys have any question on that? Okay, cool. Let's do example number 2 then, shall we? Do you guys feel that construction helped you guys out a little bit? I think when you take the time, you actually draw stuff and you actually see how they equal, it makes it, I don't know, just makes it easier for you guys to understand.